નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6th subject English grammar lesson number 2nd pronouns. As you know the students, in our previous video we completed definition of pronoun. What is a pronoun? Then after we discussed about different types of pronoun. We see the chart of different types of pronoun. After that we also understand first types of pronoun, personal pronouns in details. Now today in this video we have to see the remaining pronouns. So first of all, before starting our video, just we have to revise what is a pronoun. किससे हम pronoun बोलते हैं? Can you know the definition of pronoun? Pronoun are words. Pronouns are words we use to replace nouns in order to repetition. Avoid their repetition. Pronouns are words we use to replace nouns in order to avoid their repetition. Pronouns are words which we use to replace nouns. Nouns की जगह पे जो हम words लगाते हैं, it is known as a pronouns. और what is purpose for that? Purpose for that is that we have to avoid repetition of nouns again and again. हम जो noun को again repeat नहीं करना चाहते, that's why we put pronouns instead of nouns. After that, we also discussed about personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, you have to remember subject personal pronoun and objective personal pronouns we discussed in a chart. Okay, subjective pronoun is there, I, he, you, he, she, it and I. All the things we discussed in our previous video. Now today we have to discuss about second type of pronoun is that possessive pronouns. Possessive pronoun. What is a possessive pronoun and how it is used, we have to see here in that video. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns. What is the possessive pronoun? What is the definition? Where it is used? All the things we have to discuss here. Pronouns that show possessions are called possessive pronouns. Pronouns that show the possession. Possession means ownership. Possession means ownership. Maliki. In Gujarati we can say that Maliki. It shows the possession of anything. For example, marker. But I can say that it's a my marker. My sword. It shows the possession. It shows the ownership of any person or anything. किसी की मालिकी दिखाने के लिए हम possessive pronoun यूज करते हैं. Ownership, to show the ownership. So here pronouns that show possessions are called possessive pronouns. They are not followed by a noun, though they refer to a noun. उसके बाद after possessive pronoun there were no followed by a noun because possessive pronoun is instead of noun we put it. It's a pronoun. उससे हम pronoun बोलते हैं. Possessive noun के बाद में कोई भी noun नहीं follow होता because possessive noun is one type of pronoun. We put it instead of noun. वो हम noun के बदले में put करते हैं. So possessive pronoun do not follow noun. Here I give the list of possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun का लिस्ट मैंने यहाँ पे दिया है singular and plural, first person, second person and third person. First person singular में होता है उसका mine. Mine instead of I, me, mine, we have to write mine as a possessive pronoun. Then ours instead of he. Then yours in second person, both places we have to put yours. Instead of me, we have to put his, then hers, its, and theirs instead of their. So all are known as a possessive pronoun. You have to keep in mind which type of possessive pronoun available in our grammar. So this chart you have to remember while you are putting possessive pronouns. Mine, ours, yours, he, her, his, hers, its, and theirs. It is all are known as a possessive pronouns. So आपको ये टेबल याद रखना है possessive pronoun के लिए. possessive pronoun का टेबल है. possessive pronoun का टेबल. Here I write one example with that example we have to understand about possessive pronoun. These books belong to post. They are his. These books, for example, these books. I have a much more books and I said that these books belong to post. ये सभी बुक है पोस्ट की है. They are his. ये सब इसकी है. हम बोलते हैं ना his. Here his is used as a possessive pronoun. यहाँ पे जो his यूज हुआ है they are his. Here we can show the ownership of post on the books. बुक्स के पर हम किसकी ओनरशिप दिखा रहे हैं? पोस्ट की ओनरशिप दिखा रहे हैं. पोस्ट किसकी बुक है? पोस्ट की बुक है. सो पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन शो द ओनरशिप ऑफ अ नाउन. जो नाउन की किसी भी चीज की ओनरशिप दिखाता है. एंड वन मोर थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन एंड पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव. बोथ आर सेम बट वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड वन लिटिल पॉइंट. Possessive pronouns never followed by a noun, but instead of possessive pronoun, possessive adjective always followed by a noun, because adjective is used to modify the noun. हम adjective को कहाँ यूज करते हैं? noun को modify करने के लिए. So after possessive adjective followed by a noun, but in possessive pronoun there were never noun followed by possessive pronoun. Keep in mind that point. So students, so here our possessive pronouns main point over. Okay, just read it from your textbook and try to understand. And you have to remember that chart forever. Which type of possessive pronouns? You have to remember the possessive pronouns list. Okay, you have to remember possessive pronouns list. Here our teaching point related to possessive pronoun over exercise we have to do in our Zoom class. Okay. Now next type of pronoun we have to understand that type of demonstrative pronouns. After possessive pronouns we have to understand about demonstrative pronouns. Now students, another type of pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. We have to understand about it. Demonstrative. To demonstrate means what? Can you know the meaning of demonstrate? To demonstrate means to point out. To point out, किसी चीज को दिखाना. It is known as a demonstrate. उससे हम demonstrate बोलते हैं. Here we have to understand about the demonstrative pronoun. There are mainly 4 types of demonstrative pronoun in our English grammar. So first of all, understand about it. Where it is used. Demonstrative pronoun, where it is used. These pronouns are used to point out a certain category, thing, statement, etc. It is used to point out something. किसी चीज को हमें point out करने के लिए this type of pronoun is used to point out something, to show something. किसी चीज को दिखाने के लिए, किसी चीज को point out करने के लिए we have to use this type of pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. There are mainly 4 pronouns is there in our English grammar. There are mainly 4 demonstrative pronoun is there. This, that, these and those. All 4 demonstrative pronouns you understand, you studied about it in your lower classes also. This is used to point out singular thing. जो एक ही चीज हो उससे दिखाने के लिए, और नियर जो पास में है, अपने पास में एक ही चीज है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मार्कर. This is a marker. I can say that this is a marker because it is a singular and this is nearer to me. वो मेरे पास ही है. So I can say that this is a marker. Second demonstrative pronoun is that. That is so to singular. एक ही चीज मगर far away, जो दूर पड़ी है एक चीज, उसे दिखाने के लिए we have to use that. दूर चीज बट सिंगुलर फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये मार्कर में कॉर्नर में रख देता और यहां से बोलता हूं दैट इज माय मार्कर. वहां पे जो पड़ी है वो मेरी मार्कर है. जो चीज दूर पड़ी है और सिंगुलर फॉर्म में है उससे दिखाने के लिए दैट वी हैव टू यूज. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस एंड दैट? दिस इज यूज्ड टू नियर थिंग एंड सिंगुलर थिंग. दैट इज यूज्ड टू फार अवे थिंग एंड सिंगुलर थिंग. नाउ थर्ड वन, demonstrative pronoun is that these, T-H-E-S-E. These is used to show the more than one thing, means plural things, but remaining near. जो अपने पास में पड़ी है ऐसी चीजें दिखाने के लिए these यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव टू, मोर देन वन, मेरे पास एक से ज्यादा, मीन्स प्लूरल, टू मार्कर. सो दीज आर मार्कर्स, आई कैन से दैट दीज आर मार्कर्स. दीज जो प्लूरल भी है और मेरे पास भी है, सो मेरे नजदीक है. सो आई कैन से दैट दीज आर माई मार्कर्स. ये दोनों मेरी मार्कर्स है. सो दीज इज यूज्ड टू शो द प्लूरल थिंग्स एंड नियरर थिंग्स. ऑपोजिट साइड, दोज इज यूज्ड टू फार अवे थिंग्स, जो यहाँ से दूर पड़ी है और प्लूरल है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये दोनों मार्कर में कॉर्नर में रख दूं तो इट इज नोन एज ए दोज आर माई मार्कर्स. मैं ऐसे बोलूंगा, वो दोनों मेरी मार्कर है, दोज. सो कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड students? In short form, you have to remember that these and these both are used to show the nearer things. That and those is used to far away things. This is used to singular and these is used to plural form. Same way, that is used to singular thing and those is used to plural thing. So remember that four types of demonstrative pronouns. ये चार डेमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन है जो आपको याद रखना है. विद दैट एग्जांपल वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. आई आल्सो गिव द एग्जांपल रिलेटेड टू आवर मार्कर. अनदर एग्जांपल इज दैट दिस इज अ टेबल. मेरे पास एक टेबल है, तो मैं क्या बोलूंगा, एक ही टेबल है, सिंगुलर है, और मेरे पास है, नजदीक है. सो आई कैन से दैट दिस इज अ टेबल. ये एक टेबल है. Then second example is that is a chair. For example, कॉर्नर में एक चेयर पड़ी है, तो मेरे से दूर है, मगर वो सिंगुलर है, far away and singular. So at that time we have to use that. That is a chair. Now third example is that first and second we discussed. Third example is that these are my notebooks. For example, I have a notebooks bunch in my hand or near about me. मेरे पास कोई नोटबुक का बंच पड़ा है, नजदीक में है, नियर है, और मोर देन वन है, प्लूरल फॉर्म में है. सो आई कैन से दैट दीज आर माय नोटबुक्स. सो आई कैन से दैट दीज आर माय नोटबुक्स. यहाँ पे प्लूरल और नजदीक पड़ी हुई चीज दिखाने के लिए दीज यूज होता है. नाउ दोज आर योर्स. और वहां पे कॉर्नर में जो नोटबुक्स का बंच पड़ा है वो आपका है, योर्स. यहाँ से दूर है और मोर देन वन प्लूरल फॉर्म में है, सो उसके लिए दोज यूज होता है. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? फोर डेमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. सभी चीज आपको याद रखना है. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस, दैट, दिस एंड दोज. फोर थिंग्स यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. दिस इज यूज्ड टू सिंगुलर नियर थिंग, सिंगुलर है और नजदीक में है. दिस इज यूज्ड टू प्लूरल है और नजदीक में है, उसके लिए है. दैट इज plural, singular, far away things, and those is used to plural, far away things, near and far, all the things you have to remember. So students, here our demonstrative pronouns explanation also. You have to remember that four demonstrative pronoun in any way. ये चार pronouns आपको याद रखने हैं. कहाँ पे this, that, these and those यूज होते हैं, वो सभी चीजें आपको याद रखनी है. ओके. Now we have to understand about next type of pronoun, which are interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns. Okay, in our next screen. Now friends, next type of pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative means what? Questioning. Questioning. उसे हम questioning बोलते हैं. To ask questions to anybody, we use different types of interrogative pronouns. Okay, interrogative pronouns, these are pronouns which we use to ask questions. Where we use it to ask anybody any question, just we require interrogative pronouns. उस टाइम पे हमें interrogative pronoun की requirement पड़ेगी. There are many different types of interrogative pronouns in our English grammar. First one, I make a list here. Just we have to see that type of interrogative pronouns. First one is there who and whom. Ask asking with question who and whom, for what purpose are used to refer to a people. If we require answer as a people, किसी people का नाम और कोई आदमी का नाम आता है तो इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन बनाने में हमें who और whom और whose यूज करना पड़ेगा. Who और whom are used to refer to a people. किसी people के बारे में हमें जानना है, आदमी के बारे में जानना है. At that time we have to use who or whom. All the interrogative pronouns you have to remember. Then next one is that what and which. What and which are used for things. If answer get as a things, किसी चीज आंसर में मिलती है, चीज नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. At that time we have to ask question with what or which. What or which से हमें क्वेश्चन पूछना है. Then where. Next one is that where. Where is used to refer to a place. अगर हमें आंसर में किसी जगह की नाम चाहिए, किसी प्लेस का नेम चाहिए, at that time we have to ask question with where. Where are you going? क्या आंसर मिलता है उसमें. For example, where are you going? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं. So answer become that place name. किसी एक प्लेस का नाम वहां पे आपको मिलेगा. So that type of question we have to ask with where interrogative pronoun. Okay. Next one is that when. If you require to time, at that time we have to ask question with when. When do you come at my home? When will you come? Sorry. When will you come at my home? आप मेरे घर पे कब आओगी? So when show the time. Time दिखाने के लिए time is the answer required when. And then why. It is used to refer to a reason. किसी चीज का हमें reason चाहिए. Why are you going? आप क्यों जा रहे हैं? तो then in the answer we get the reason for going. उसके आंसर में हमें रीजन मिलेगा कि why are you going, why are you crying, why are you laughing. At that time we get the reason for that laughing, crying or anything else. So all are the interrogative pronouns you have to remember, who and whom. Okay. Here downside examples is given in your textbook also. Who is this boy? ये boy कौन है? Because we are asking about question about a person. किसी person की बात कर रहे हैं. At that time we have to use who or whom. What is his name? उसका name क्या है? What? तो कि हमें name पूछना है. Name not living things है. So what is his name? Why has he came? यहाँ पे वो क्यों आया है? यहाँ पे why से क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. उसका रीजन मिलेगा कि क्यों यहाँ पे आया है. Where is he from? और वो कहाँ से आया है. Where से क्वेश्चन पूछा है. हमें प्लेस के बारे में पता चलेगा कि वो कहाँ से आया है. Then when he is going home, okay? और वो घर कब जाएगा. यहाँ पे टाइम पूछा गया है कि when is he going to home. वो घर कब जाएगा. So all are known as the interrogative pronouns. You have to remember whom, what, which, where, when, why. All have a different functions. सभी के अलग अलग फंक्शंस है. Who और whom is used to refer people की बात करने के लिए, what and which non living things के लिए बात करने के लिए, where प्लेस की जानकारी के लिए, when टाइम के बारे में जानने के लिए, and why उसका रीजन जानने के लिए यूज होता है. Okay? Here our interrogative pronouns also over. Okay? Understand? Here in this video we discussed about three pronouns. Three types of pronouns we discussed: possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun and interrogative pronoun. Remaining pronouns we have to see in our next video.
Thank you for joining us